some smaller nodes we dig a bit deeper in. Now we have, of course, many other nodes, but no time here to go inside every node so deep. But there are definitely more features. Yeah, some of the nodes we have already presented also in depth, like the date and time features. Yeah, we have also some improvements that come later, but here something I want to point out is in the FEA sector. So we have responses. Now we have a better separation of the standard stress response and the maximum von Mises stress response node. So what we did here is that we changed the previous stress response to be named maximum von Mises. And yeah, since this was the only response you could get when evaluating an FEA model, and the new stress response node now features a new drop-down controls to really heavily customize the stress response before evaluating an FEA model. So you can you have all access now to all stress components, principal stress, shear, bending. Yeah. So not only that, but you can also make that available to be used in optimization for OptiStruct at the moment. Cool. Then the reaction force and reaction moment. It's also very interesting. For example, at beam structure models, you can now check reaction forces at the different places of the beams and optimize them, optimize the beam model regarding those specific reaction forces and moments. And yeah, another very interesting tool is the OAuth2 authentication node. So you can basically control authenticate for all the web client nodes, especially like software as a service tools like Factrum, or even Spotify if you like. And of course, your IT department allows you to do that. Yes, that's interesting. And I would say, yeah, maybe little words to math. So there's some physical quantity data now available, and the convert unit last time, as a small recap, we presented the unit system with units available in Synera. And here, of course, we have also a convert unit. And morph body surface would be something interesting, probably also for the CAD, experts. All right. So similar with improvements, here there's so much, I just want to keep it short. I would say the most interesting improvements are the linear static and nonlinear static load steps. They are also now working with thermal loads and more advanced FEA options. And we have now the extrusion constraints for the solid topology variable. So if you want to do casting, die casting, then this is a very useful tool to set up in the optimization. All right, I would say I would keep it this way. And the other improvements are also accessible when you already have the software and you go on the release notes as usual. So you see a very good overview.